My name is Bernard, and usually people are calling me Prince Mikaya Pongi, 7. I'm a member of the Congo Federation Council. There is 5 members that are running this organization. There is Sa Majesté Tikaya Zinga, the first of the Kingdom of Luango. Sa Majesté Makoso 5 for the Kingdom of Luango. There is also other brother Birangi from the state of Nyadi. There is a brother Kai from state of Mbangala, and there is me, myself, who are running the state of Bwenza and the state of Lekumu within the Federation Council. So, where is located the Congo Federation? The Congo Federation is located right here in the center of Africa. Right now, we are the 55th state in Africa. If you are watching us on the globe, you can find us right here. This is where we are located. If you want to compare the Congo Federation, our new country, you can compare us with certain country right there in Africa. Our area is bigger than the area of Rwanda. Our area is bigger than the area of Burundi. We are bigger than Guinea-Bissau. We are very close. We are bigger also than Gambia. You see, very close to Liberia, and when you try to compare the area. So, why we create this country? I'm pretty sure you know that. If you are watching us, you can see what we are doing, what we are telling to you, what we are demonstrating. The Congo, the entity Congo, was created by the French in November 28th in 1958. November 28th, 1958. That was the French creation. The French created that country by coming from the contract, but they never used that contract. They hide the contract, what we are calling here ancestral contract, our ancestor. We, the Aboriginal people, the Congo, the owner of land, the owner of natural resources, we the people, the Congo people, we are being spoliated, they are being killing us, they are committing genocide, but the French are protecting this. Why? Because the French, they have chosen different people coming from overseas during the colonization, which is the Moshi. All the people are living in the north of entity Congo. Right now, there is a colonization is happening in our territory. We have been killed. They're using us like slaves. They have destroyed our school, our healthcare, and our people are suffering. We cannot sustain this anymore. It was now a red line that the Moshi and the French, they have crossed by trying to sell our land to different people. The Rwanda people want to get our land. They want to keep stealing our natural resources. Our people cannot sustain this anymore. We went to the petition. The people have spoken. When the people they have made a choice. They want to create their country, Congo Federation. So we are not part of the Congo Republic anymore. More than 30,000 of the Congo represented by the chief in the family, in the village, in the country, in the counties, They are signing the petition. They want to become one nation, one culture, and build themselves, provide opportunity, a dream for the Congo that was destroyed by the Moshi. We want to end this internal colonization by going to a different path of a new country, the Congo Federation. So I've provided some comparison between our area. So the Congo Federation, when you see our land, the area is about 106,762 kilometers square. It's huge. We are larger than Rwanda, larger than Burundi, larger than Guinea-Bissau, than Gambia, than so many countries. There is an opportunity. You want natural resources? We have it there in the Congo Federation. You want oil? We have it there. You want to do farming, fishing on the sea? We have it there because we have an Atlantic Ocean there. Any type of a mineral you are looking for, we have it there. So we cannot accept anymore that people coming overseas, the Moshi, can impose the colonization in our land, and they can control all the natural resources, and our people cannot get anything from there. No, it's not fair. No one can accept that. Now the people have spoken. They want their country geographically where we are located. In the north, there is the Republic of Congo. In the south, we have Cabinda, Angola. In the east, we have the DRC, Zaire. In the west, we have Gabon. In the southwest, Atlantic Ocean. We have a huge land for farming, great land quality food, you know. You want to come? An opportunity is right there. You want to invest money? This is a good time for you to come. We can build this country together. Secure your investment, secure our people, protect our land, and protect everybody's interests. This is a good time. Please remember, at the time Dubai was started, people were hesitated, but now only smart people who have put their money, they're now getting a huge return of their investment. This is a great time. Let's sign our federation. Thank you for coming in Africa, in the center of Africa, in the land of the Congo Federation. Come, if you want to sign a contract, you have to contact the Congo Federation Council. Thank you.